Hello homeschoolers! After more than a week of using the Huawei MatePad T Kids Edition, ito naman ang aming in-depth review para sa kiddie-friendly tablet na ito. So, in its physical form, nagustuhan ko sa tablet na to, enough yung 8-inch na screen niya para sa bata and also for viewing yung mga PDF files for studies, yung mga PowerPoint files na from our homeschool. Enough na yung screen na to kasi pag sa phone, masyado namang maliit, and pag laptop naman ang gamit, kailangan mo pang pitpitin kung saan man dapat kayo mag-aral, okay? And then, ito, I like the handle. Ayan. So, pwede mong bitbitin ng yung tablet ng ganito or ganyan. So, easier. Hindi siya kagad mahuhulog. Plus, yung silicone na ginamit nila, dito sa protective silicone ng tablet na to is food grade. So, you don't have to worry kung biglang katkatin ng anak ninyo yung silicone. I hope not naman. Bantayan ninyo. But if ever kung mangyari man yun, safe naman siya for your kids. Yeah. I like that it has curved edges and then good grip talaga siya. Hindi siya kagad mahuhulog. Kahit dito hawakan ng bata, hindi siya magsaslide. So, mapre-prevent yung mga nababasag na screen. Kasi sa mga problem namin na nagka-tablet ng mga kids, dalawang tablet yung nasira namin. Well, hindi kami, nasira ng mga bata dahil nahulog nila, nabagsak nila. Another thing I like about this tablet is the stylus pen. Ayan. So, our kids, they love to draw. In fact, we have a lot of scratch papers in the house. But with this tablet, they can create their own artworks using the application. Merong paint dito. And it's easier for them to draw on the tablet using the stylus pen. When you open the tablet, ayan, meron siya kagad pin. So, the kids cannot open it without the my pin, without my password. So, every time they access it, kailangan ng PIN bago nila ma-access sa loob. Another thing that I like about this is yung eye protection niya. Ayan. So, if you could see, meron siyang eye comfort dito sa taas na part. Ayan. I'm not sure if you can see, meron siyang eye comfort. Ayan. So, pag tinouch mo to, ayan, magiging mas madali para sa mata ng bata yung screen. And then, pag tinouch mo naman yung e-book mode, magiging ano siya, parang black and white gray yung kanyang itsura. I don't know the technical term for that, but that's how it is. Okay. Kapag nag-start ka nitong tablet na to, medyo mabagal siya for me. Kasi I'm using a Huawei mobile phone. So, yung difference nung pag nag-restart ka ng tablet, medyo mabagal ang pag-restart nito as compared to my phone. Probably because dahil 2 GB lang naman yung RAM niya, as opposed to my phone na 3 GB. Ayan. So, but it's enough. The memory is enough for the applications that your kids can use. And also, if you want to use this as a regular tablet, you can also use this as well. Kasi meron naman siyang mga applications na pwede kayong i-install, like e-book reader, email, yun. Pwede nyo naman ilagay dito sa tablet na to. So, for those who are asking how are you going to download the application, this tablet has the app gallery exclusive for Huawei. So, that's where you're going to download all the applications that you will need. And for some applications like yung mga Google na hindi naman kasama dito sa Huawei app gallery, you can still download them but through a third-party app. Meaning, ida-download nyo siya sa isang website. Okay? So, isang APK. So, kayo na mag-i-install. Another feature of this tablet is that the Huawei tablet has an equipped and built-in gravity sensor. So, ito, malalaman niya kung yung anak mo ay nakahiga, or kung gumagalaw ba, gumagamit ba ng tablet habang gumagalaw. So, meron siyang posture alert na try na namin ito. Kapag nakahiga ka, mag-a-alarm siya, magsasabi na so, yan, yung sasabihin niya kapag yung posture mo ay hindi tama. And also, kapag bumpy yung road, kunyari, nasa biyahe kayo, medyo magalaw, at ginamit ng bata yung tablet, mag-a-alert din siya kasi medyo bumpy road. Kasi syempre, diba, pag nasa sasakyan tayo, tapos nagbabasa tayo at medyo magalaw, nakakahilo yun, diba? So, meron din siyang built-in feature na gano'n. So, kanina nabanggit ko yung e-book mode. Ayun. So, isa rin sa mga feature na pwede nyo gamitin kapag magbabasa yung mga anak ninyo ng books or kahit kayo kung magbabasa kayo ng novel na download kayo sa tablet na to. let's talk about the Kids Corner. Ito talagang favorite ko talaga ng feature ng tablet na to is the Kids Corner. Kasi, in the Kids Corner, merong parental control. So, dito, makokontrol ng mga magulang kung gaano katagal magagamit ang bata ng tablet. And then, you can see here, meron yung timer. Ayan, may timer siya. Tapos, yung parental control, syempre, meron na namang password yan. So, hindi nila magagalaw yun kapag hindi mo pa ipapasok yung password mo. And, nakatuwa doon kasi yung password, yung pagkaka-arrange yung number nagbabago-bago. So, the parental control, you need to enter your PIN bago makapasok. So, yeah. So, there is an eye protection feature of the tablet which has the blue light filter. It filters out the blue light to relieve visual fatigue. So, the screen will have a warmer tint. As I mentioned, meron siyang posture alert, the bumpy road alerts, and the e-book mode. For the time management, isa sa mga gusto ko dito is meron kang daily limit na pwedeng ilagay. For example, for your kid na meron kang 3 years old, pwede nyo iset into 1 hour lang na paggamit ng tablet. And then the length per session, pwedeng gawin nyo siyang every 30 minutes, 20 minutes, pwedeng siyang hati-hatiin within that day. And you can also put some rest between the sessions. For example, 1 hour nga binigay mo sa anak mo para gamitin ang tablet na to. Pwede ka maglagay dito ng rest session. Let's say, after 20 minutes, magdidim yung tablet para mag-rest muna yung bata. So, hindi tuloy-tuloy yung paggamit niya ng tablet. And there's also an app management. So, pwede mo piliin dito kung ano yung mga apps na dapat mong i-control para sa anak mo. And of course, merong content management. Kunya, nagda-download kayo ng mga photos, meron dito kung ano yung pwede lamang makita ng mga anak ninyo. So, for Kids Corner, Huawei has partnered with Azoomee and Baby Panda World para sa mga apps. So, naka-integrate na siya or naka-install na siya dun sa Kids Corner. So, if you have the Huawei MatePad T 8 Kids Edition, it comes with a free 3-month membership to Baby Panda World and a free 1-year membership to Azoomee. If you are looking for apps with more learning potential for your kids, meron mga applications na makikita ninyo sa Huawei App Gallery tulad ng Little Panda Stream, My Talking Tom, Go Kids apps, Lucky Doodle, Dingo Deer, and so much more. I tried the recorder, natuwa naman yung mga kids to, they-record nila yung mga bosses nila, and the camera, syempre, and of course yung painting. Patok na patok sa mga kids yung painting. Now, this tablet is not just for kids. Pwede nyo rin itong gamitin into a normal tablet. As I've mentioned earlier, pwede kayo mag-install ng mga applications dito na pwede nyo gamitin for work or for your own personal use. Kapag medyo malaki na yung mga bata, pwede naman ito magamit as a regular tablet. The Huawei MatePad T 8 Kids Edition retails at 8,999 pesos and is available at the online Huawei Store. So that's our review of the Huawei MatePad T Kids Edition. Is it a good and worth it investment? Yes, I will say yes kasi nagamit namin siya from teaching Kuya, our grade 5 student. He used this to view and read his lessons from our homeschool provider. The 2 little kids were able to use this for their painting. They use it for the applications like Baby Bus, yung favorite talaga ng dalawang kids. Again, we would like to thank Huawei for sending over this tablet for us to review. And we love the Huawei tablet talaga for kids kasi sobrang useful niya sa amin. With 3 kids of different ages, nagamit nilang lahat itong tablet na to. Again, thank you for watching and happy homeschooling! See you in our next video!